Great morning everyone. Today we will discuss a assignment based on chapter trigonometry, and our question is find the value of sine 18 degree. So firstly we will assume sine the angle of sine, that is 18 degree, as theta. Theta is equal to 18 degree. Now we will multiply both sides by 5. So it will become 5 theta is equal to 5 into 18 degree. It will becomes 90 degree. The value of 5 theta becomes 90 degree. Now we will break 5 theta into 3 theta plus 2 theta, and right hand side is 90 theta. In the next step we will take 3 theta on the right hand side. So the value of 2 theta will becomes equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. Now taking the sign on the both side. So left hand side becomes sine of 2 theta and right hand side becomes sine of 90 degree minus 3 theta. And we know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it will becomes cos 3 theta, and left hand side is same. Now both side we will apply the identity. In the left hand side sine theta and in the right hand side cos theta. As you know, the sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta and cos theta, and cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. In the next step, in the right hand side we will take common cos theta. So there will becomes cos square theta minus 3. Cos and cos will be cancelled out. The identity of sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta and cos theta. Now from both sides cos and cos will be cancelled out. At last 2 sine theta will be equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Now at the place of cos square theta I will take 1 minus sine square theta, because cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. ये वाला जो स्टेप है ये इस आइडेंटिटी से है, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So the value of cos square theta will becomes 1 minus sin square theta. With the help of this identity I am putting here at the place of cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Now I will open the bracket. Left hand side will same and right hand side will 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. So this implies 2 sin theta is equal to 4 minus 3 will be 1. 1 minus 4 sin square theta. Now I will take both the terms from the right hand side in the left hand side. So it will become a quadratic equation in sin theta, that is 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. By taking sin theta as x, I will make it as a quadratic equation in x. With the help of quadratic formula, the value of x becomes minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac, that is the discriminant, divided by 2a. Here b is the coefficient of x, that is 2. A will be the coefficient of x square, that is 4. And c is our constant term, that is minus 1. Now I will put the value of a, b and c. So it will becomes minus 2 plus minus under the root square of 2 at the place of a 4 and at the place of c minus 1. In the denominator 2 into 4 minus 2 plus minus under the root 4 plus 16 divided by 8. It will becomes minus 2 plus minus under the root 20 divided by 8. It will becomes minus 2. I am taking 2 as common. So it becomes minus 1 plus minus under the root 5 divided by 8. 2 4s are 8. The value becomes minus 1 plus minus under the root 5 divided by 4. Now there are two values. One is minus 1 plus under root 5 divided by 4 and second one -1 minus under root 5 divided by 4. I will ignore the negative value because angle is 18 degree and that will lie in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant sign is always positive, so we will consider the positive value. So the value of this is the value of x, and x is equal to sin theta and theta is 18. So the value of sin 18 degree will be equal to -1 plus root 5 divided by 4. -1 plus under root 5 divided by 4. This will be the value of sin 18 degree. With the help of this value, we can find the value of cos 18 degree. That will you evaluate yourself. Cos 18 degree will be equal to under the root 1 minus sin square 18 degree. जैसे ही आप sin 18 की वैल्यू का स्क्वायर करके सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे, you will find the value of cos 18 degree. आपके पास cos 18 डिग्री की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. And same as you can find the value of tangent 18 by dividing the value of sin 18 and cos 18. Okay students, this is our next question in which we have to prove that tangent 50 degree is equal to tangent 40 degree plus 2 times tangent 10 degree. So firstly, at the place of 50 degree, I will break this angle as 40 plus 10. I am breaking 50 degree as 40 degree plus 10 degree. Now taking tangent on both sides, the left hand side becomes tangent 50 degree and right hand side becomes tangent 40 degree plus 10 degree. In the right hand side, I will apply the identity tangent x plus y, that is equal to tangent x plus y is equal to tangent x plus tangent y whole divided by 1 minus tangent x into tangent y. With the help of this identity, I will open tangent 40 plus 10. At the place of x there is 40 and at the place of y there is 10. So tangent 40 plus 10 will equals to tangent 40 degree plus tangent 10 degree divided by 1 minus tangent 40 into tangent 10. I am using the identity tangent 40 plus tangent 10 whole divided by 1 minus tangent 40 into tangent 10 degree. The left hand side will be same, that is tangent 50 degree. In the next step, I will take the denominator in the left hand side, so it will multiply with tangent 50. Tangent 50 within the bracket 1 minus tangent 40 tangent 10 and right hand side is same as tangent 40 plus tangent 10. Open the bracket, tangent 50 degree minus tangent 50 tangent 40 into tangent 10. Right hand side is same, tangent 40 plus tangent 10. Now in the left hand side, I will change tangent 40 degree into tangent 90 minus 50. Because at the place of 40, I can write 90 minus 50. Same as if you want to change tangent 50, you can change it. From these two quantity, we will change only one into another. Tangent 50 will be same. This tangent 50 is also same. At the place of tangent 40, I am taking as 90 minus 50 because 40 is same as 90 minus 50. Tangent 10 degree is same and right hand side is also same. This is tangent 50. Now I will apply the identity tangent 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. So it will become cot 50 degree. Right hand side is same. Tangent 40 plus tangent 10. Now these two quantities will be cancelled out because tangent and cot are reciprocal of each other. So tangent 50 minus tangent 10 is equal to tangent 40 plus tangent 10. Now I will take this minus tangent 10 in the right hand side. This is the 10 degree. So our result becomes tangent 50 is equal to tangent 40 plus 2 times tangent 10 degree. This is our required result that we have to prove. So these was the two questions from the given assignment in the class, and in the next video we will discuss the another question of the assignment.